Hello everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the navigation tag in HTML. Okay, if you want to give the navigation, then the nav tag is used. Okay, the nav tag is used to declaring the navigation section in HTML document. Websites typically have a sections, okay, dedicated to the navigation links, so that the link in a nav element may points to the another web page or to different section of the same web page. Okay, just like an example as a, if you are creating your website, okay, in your website there are the five section. Okay, just like the first one page of your website is what, your home page, and second one is the documentation or any other, okay, example is, and third section is about your website, which type of your website, which type of the section in your website. If you want to create or if you want to give the navigation on that type, then the nav tag is used. Okay, so to gain or to link nav element may points to other web page or to different section of same web page. Okay, so now directly we are going to see the example. What is the navigation tag? Here I am creating the new project, sorry, new file. What is the HTML file? Here I am giving the name navigation. Okay, so now my file is created and I am going to insert mode. I am setting the title is navigation tag. Okay, so now in a body section, first of all I am creating the division. Okay, if you don't clear about the division, then you can see about the video about the division tag on my YouTube channel. Okay, the div tag, then I'm setting the style, sorry, background color is aqua. Okay, the division tag is closed over here. I'm also setting align attribute center. Okay, so now I'm writing over here the website name. What is my website? The purpose of my website. Okay, which type of my website is welcome. Okay, I'm creating the website like school. Okay, Bharatiya Vidyalaya. Okay, I'm giving this name in each one text, so my font is going to be bigger. Okay, so now I am going to be creating in second division. I am taking the second division, okay, and in that I am going to be created a new tag. What is new tag? New tag is used to give or to create the navigation section in HTML document, okay. Navigation section, then after I am giving the link, okay. So what I am giving, okay, if you don't clear about the anchor tag, and anchor tag is used to give the link reference, okay, then you can watch the same video on my YouTube channel about anchor tag, okay. You can find out on my channel. Okay, first I am creating the home. Okay, so next one is a href is equal to, see, you can also give your different HTML page. If you are creating your HTML page, then you can give the link over there easily, okay. But here I am only giving the hashtag, but not giving the link over here, okay. Document, sorry, department, right, it is closed, and href is equal to stack about. I want to give the about. I want to know about the call listing, and here I'm going to be close anchor tag over here, okay. So now I'm going to be closing my new tag, and then after I'm closing my div tag. Okay, so now directly what we are going to see, what is the output of this. See, my in first section I am setting the my website name, and then second section I am creating the navigation, okay. And I am giving the home section, and here I am giving the department, and here I am giving the navigation on about. So now here I am only giving what in href section, the hashtag. Now what we are doing, we are giving the section that we are already created the web pages, okay. So I'm creating the table.html, that one link I am giving over here in href section, okay. And here the home button, I close my anchor tag over here. Then next one is, here I am giving division, sorry, what is happening, okay, this one I am getting. Close that tag from here, depart, right, okay. And here I'm going to be close the anchor tag over here, and in the last section I'm giving close the anchor tag over here. Okay, so now directly we are going to the browser. We are going to the okay. So here what I am missing, this one. So now I'm going to click on the home page. So it directly go on the what? I'm giving the link of the table.html page. So it will directly open this. And now I closed it. Okay, I'm giving control home button. So then this button and this. Okay, so my first link is open. Then I'm giving the division one tag, and then after I'm giving the table example. Okay, so you can getting this thing about the navigation tag.